Module 1, Section 7, Objective 7. Divide whole numbers using estimation and rounding. Okay, they have a little bit bad choice of words in my opinion, but here we go. We're going to estimate quotients using front-end rounding. And so you're going to round each number to the highest place value, and then you're going to divide using the rounded numbers. They said divide using factors, but factors are not parts of divide problems, are they? They're parts of multiply problems. Okay, so if you would have divide the rounded numbers, that would be fine. Okay, so let's do it. We're going to round to the first place value. So the 6 rounds up, so that makes this number 600,000. And we're going to divide that by rounding to the first number. So the 9 rounds up, which means we have 2,000. Okay, so now we're going to cross out some zeros, so 3 of them, right? And now 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then we have the 2 zeros that we didn't use. So the answer is 300 when we estimate. Okay, same thing on this next one. Let's round it first. So we're rounding to the first place value. We're looking at the 4. 4 rounds down, so we're going to leave the 9 alone. And the bottom, the 9 rounds up, so the 2 becomes a 3, so it's 3,000. Okay, let's cross out some zeros, cancel those. Now we have 9 divided by 3, and, whoa, let's not erase things, shall we? And 1 0 left. So 9 divided by 3 is 3, and then the 0, so it's 30. Okay, let's do C and D over on our side. So the first number is 8, so the 2 after it leaves it as 8. So that becomes 8,000. Divided by, first number is a 3, so the 5 is going to round it up. We get 400. Okay, let's cancel out some zeros, so 2 of them. Now we have 8 divided by 4 is 2. And we have this 1 0 that we didn't use. Okay, it's really important that you don't get carried away and you're crossing things out, because I need to find those green zeros that are left. Can you see how it kind of looks like right here that that 0 might be getting crossed out? Yeah, be careful. Okay, so there we go. All right, last one. Writing a division problem in this format looks kind of strange. Okay, so let's round it to the first place value. 3 rounds it down, right? So the 5 is going to stay where it is. So that's 5,000. Now, first place value is here. The 8 is going to round the 9 up. Okay, so because the 9,800,000 is the dividend, the number you start with, it's going to go on top. Okay, so we want to make 10 million. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Yep. And now we're going to cross out zeros. So 1, 2, 3 zeros. And now we have 1 and a 5. And we can't do it, right? You can't do 1 divided by 5. So we're going to make it 10 divided by 5 is 2. And now we have 1, 2, 3 zeros left. So it's 2,000.